there, this is Jennifer with Roller Ramp, and today we are here at a Lindenwood Campground in Fargo, North Dakota. What we have today set up is an RV1 system with a fifth wheel camper. And I will be explaining to you what this system consists of and why it's so cool. We're gonna start here up at the top. All RV systems are going to have a platform. The default size for the platform, it is a 4-foot by 4-foot surface. It is diamond plated, and it has handrails on two sides, and there are adjustable legs. For any platforms that are 30 inches off the ground or higher, if you look underneath, there's a cross bracing here. That is a reinforcement kit. The legs are adjustable, and what is nice is if you have uneven ground, as we do right here, you can use them to level them off. The ramp that is part of the RV system, it is a 30-inch wide ramp and 18-foot long with handrails on one side. You can see that there are 3 different handrail sections, each section being 5 foot in length. A lot of people will choose to have handrails only on one side, but if you prefer, you can add handrails to the other side as well. The ramp will have a 1,000-pound load capacity. I do want to mention though that for any ramps 10 feet and longer, it will require support stands. And then starting at 18 feet, there are 2 pair of stands. The amount of stands that you have will be based upon the overall length of the ramp. Now, some people may ask, how do you move an 18-foot long ramp? Well, when we ship it out to you, we will ship it in 3 6-foot sections. Right here, and then down there also, are quick connect pins. The quick connect pins replace the nuts and bolts at the designated points where you want to divide the ramp. The ramp attaches to the platform at this point here. These brackets are called seg mount brackets. A standard approach plate drops down into these brackets. This one does have a small step. You can attach another ramp to get a chair up that small step. And then this one will also attach onto the ramp with the seg mount brackets. Now this one is 26 wide and 3 foot long. You can have these ones longer depending on how much space you have to go out. I'm going to demonstrate with an unoccupied transport chair. On the exit, if you are going down a steeper slope, be sure to go backwards down it for comfort of the person in the chair. You can have accessibility on the open road with the Roller Ramp RV ramp system. Roller Ramp is making the world more accessible, one ramp at a time.